Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Wobble Text effect in CapCut PC. For example, I'm going to select black screen, select text, select default text to add the text, for the duration assembling, and just change for text for simple. Alright. Um, Go to animation, select animation, select loop, and just scroll down until you find a wobble. Just download it and add to the track and adjust for the speed. Right, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.